Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today in our episode of 30 days 30 side dishes, we are making a very tasty and flavorful dish from our Tamil homes, and that is Katrikai Gothsu. Katrikai translates as brinjal or baingan or eggplant. And the smoky taste from this brinjal with soft onions and lightly spiced, it's an excellent combo for Idli, Dosa or best with Pongal. Come, let's see how. This smoky, tangy Brinjal Gothsu takes your Idli, Dosa, Pongal and Chapati to the next level. 1 spoon of this and you will not go back to a chutney again. Just smear a little bit oil and roast the brinjal till the skin is completely charred. From time to time just keep turning it over so that it gets evenly roasted. For this I have taken 1 large brinjal, 1 small lemon sized piece of tamarind I have soaked in water, 1 ripe tomato I have chopped finely. This is optional but I prefer to add it. A few curry leaves and 1 onion finely chopped. Also 2 green chillis. See, we have roasted the brinjal very well. We are easily able to remove the peel. Remove the peel completely from the brinjal. Now gently mash the pulp. When you roast and peel the brinjal this way, it gives that authentic smoky flavor to it. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, preferably til oil, that is sesame oil. Add mustard seeds, urad dal and curry leaves. Next, add in the green chillis. And the chopped onions. Wait till the onions turn nice and soft. When the onions turn a light golden color, add in your finely chopped tomatoes. Now cook this till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. See, now the tomatoes have become soft and mushy. I am adding 1 tablespoon of my homemade sambar powder. Mix it all well together. Add salt to taste. Now add in this mashed brinjal to it. Finally, add the tamarind extract. Squeeze out the tamarind with about say 1.5 cups of water. Add the tamarind extract and allow everything to cook well on a low to medium flame. When it starts boiling like this, allow to continue simmering on a low flame for another 5 to 6 minutes. It has been simmering well now and our gothsu is ready. Let me just show you the consistency. In case you are serving it with chapati, you can keep the consistency thick like this. But if you are serving it with idli or pongal, then you can just make it a little more runny. Today I am going to serve it with Pongal. Rava Pongal is what I have planned. So I am making a little more runny. That's it. You can keep it as you like it. So for this cold winter morning, our steaming hot Rava Pongal is ready. And now we are ready to serve out our Brinjal Gothsu with it. Look at that. Rich, smoky flavor and tangy aroma. This Brinjal Gothsu is pure comfort from Tamil kitchens. The smoky brinjal and the tangy tamarind, a perfect balance of flavors which makes it really delicious. Many people do not add tomatoes to this gothsu. So I have added it because we personally like the richness in color, texture and taste which the tomato gives. If you don't want, it is completely optional. You can make it without the tomatoes too and still enjoy a wonderful taste. From our kitchen to yours, we bring you many more dishes. So please tune in tomorrow too for our next episode of 30 days, 30 veg side dishes from Gita's Kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. Please share it with your family and friends and subscribe to Gita's Kitchen.